And now when we open this up, we have our pattern here. And these are the purple lines which represent our darts. Obviously, I have a mark here for my opening notches, which is marked here and marked here. And I have the same on the other side. So when the ham is closed, this is what's going to happen on the machine. We will go on the machine, bring the center lines of the top and bottom together, and machine the sides only. Then we're going to fold along the top center line, and by that time the sides are already closed on the machine. And all we're going to do is we're going to go from one opening all around to the folded edge, and then we're going to do the same on the bottom from one opening all around. This will be machined through the folded edge, and that should make our ham. So now that we've drafted our pattern, let's go ahead and make it. Having gone through all these steps, this is ham number 2.